When you want your home to smell so nice, perfume and diffusers, perfect spice, fresh and sweet in every sense. Feel the magic of Migaya scents. Oh, Migaya scent, Migaya scent, fragrance that makes perfect moments. Spray the style, let worries
Sa
go.
dinagat island, walay kasiguruhan. Kapit usang kauban, pero di mo biya sa panganda. From lugaw to dreams, from struggle to light. Sa dulo ng araw, everything turned out right.
Si Lola ko'y laging nakaupo sa kahoy na upuan sa may bintana. Her voice so warm like a radio show, bringing stories from long ago.